Didn't I play white in the last game? Let's use his own spells against him. Let's see what he does. I was gonna go for the knight c3 stuff again. And then I just go knight d2 like an absolute moron. Maybe I can get in a quick e4 now, using the fact that this is unprotected. Now this was quite silly. There is no doubt about that. Here? Let's go a3. Kind of want to play it a little bit solidly. Maybe there I could push. Nah. Not great. I'm still a bit shook from basically mouse. The only reason why I'm going for this is that his bishop is a bit misplaced over here sometimes. So like knight d5 and castles, and I'm hoping that this one is out of play. Realistically, it's just pretty equal. Man, I'm gonna claim the easier to play card, which is what people do when they're writing opening books and so on. If there's no like objective advantage and you're probably a little bit worse, you just write easier to play. And then people go, oh, well, it's easier to play. Then I can play it. Here. So he has hesitated a little bit. Queen e2. I was thinking of moves like b5, knight a5, and then or knight e5 and then c5, but c4. I mean, it should always be good for me. But if he's not going for some sort of b5, c5, then it's really hard for him to find active moves, I think. I don't like it. c5, c4. Bishop f6 is possible now, but I go c4 regardless. And then what does he do? Knight b6, even cb. Yeah, I think I've definitely got the edge here. That's very unpleasant for him. Got a nice little trick here. Here, Rook d8. I got bishop to b7. As far as I can see. Looks very strong. Oh, does he have bishop c2? No. He does not. The b5 would be strong here. Knight of... no, bishop c6, and he doesn't have any good squares. So that looks very strong. Hikaru always fights well, so this is not necessarily going to be easy. He probably wants knight g6 after queen takes a4. Which honestly I think I'm alright with. Maybe not. Oh, this is what he wanted. Okay, but now I got queen a8. No, this must have been an oversight. He hesitated one moment too long there, I believe. No, I should just win. Knight d6, bishop a5. Takes, bishop c7, run with the pawn. And that should do it. Here I also run. I actually allowed this and bishop e7, which is a bit annoying. I mean, he probably resigned in his best position in a while.